In this tutorial, I will show you how to generate images with OpenAI. First, make sure you have connected OpenAI and integrations. Create a flow where you will get the name of the image you want to generate and save it in a custom field. On OpenAI Action, select Generate Image option. Use the custom field where you save the name of the image you want to generate as the prompt. Select the custom field where the image will be saved. Insert the custom field where the generated image was saved in an image block. Let me show you. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.